I will just take the introduction because we don't have much time today. Serial numbers. Serial number is not there. Serial number is there. Yeah. Serial numbers. Just I will explain what is this concept. Serial number for today. Okay. Purpose. You can use this component to identify and differentiate between individual items of material. Actually, the purpose of this serial numbers is with the equipment, the material code is also attached. That means when you create the equipment, the material number is also created. So you can have a inventory, you can have a stock of the equipment, etc. That is the that is the purpose. And also, see, if you make, if you create, yeah, I mean, if you manufacture the same type of materials in your company, for example, if you are manufacturing, say, uh, refrigerators, fridges, if you are manufacturing fridges, and say they are of the same model, okay, then same model fridges you are manufacturing every day. So many you are about hundreds you are manufacturing. So the model number is same. Of course, each of them will have a different equipment number. You can create a different equipment number for each of them. But on the nameplate of the fridge, you will have a serial number. That is manufacturer serial number. This equipment number is with PM module persons actually. With other modules, this number is not there. With suppose you take PP module person, he will not have equipment number. Or with MM module person, he does not refer to equipment number. But all these people can refer to serial number. If serial number is created, then all these modules can refer. Even SD module, uh, he can also refer. It can come in SD order also. So this is common to all the modules. This number will appear in all the modules. So that is the advantage. So how to create that number, that we will see. Okay. So you can use this component to identify and differentiate between individual items of material. In PM, it is used with equipment. With equipment, it is used. And in PM, it is mainly used for this refurbishment order. For maintenance contract also, it is used. But it is mainly used for this refurbishment order. When we go for this topic, at that time we can understand how is of use. Serial numbers functionality helps in managing serialized stock. It is mainly focused on tracking of inventory. That is what I said. Inventory you can have. Inventory means stock. Serial numbers are used in many areas, which includes inventory management, sales order, plant maintenance, and production planning. But in these things, if you have only equipment number, these people cannot see that equipment number. That is why we have to create these real numbers also. If we want to use in these modules also, because this module people also will require to keep a track of that of the product with their manufacturing. So that is the advantage of this. A group of data summarized by a four-digit identification code. This is actually profile. This we will talk later on. In the material, we have to provide this profile. Serial number profile is a four-digit identification code that defines the conditions and business procedures involved when assigning serial numbers to material. So that uh, we have to give when we create a material, or it should be present in the material. You enter the serial number profile in the master record at plant level for the material. That we will see how we will enter in the plant level and all that tomorrow. So this serial number profile, which is a four-digit uh, alphanumeric character, this can be this we will enter in general plant data or storage too. In the material, when we when we create the material, we will use that in this field. Sorry, in this tab. There are tabs. Uh, for example, I can show you this, but I have to log in for that. Okay, I will log in and I will show you where it is to be. Otherwise, you will not understand like this. See, for this equipment, I think, yeah, for this material, we'll see basic data. This is the MM module. I have gone into MM module. You don't have to, of course, you don't have to do anything. The material will be already created by MM module persons. So you don't have to do anything in this. I am just showing for your knowledge. Plant we have to put valuation type is there. I don't want any valuation type as such right now. So here is this thing, here in plant data and storage type, here we have to put, see, real number profile, CMR1. This we have to, uh, this field we have to, in this field we have to put that profile number. Then you can generate. That we will see how actually it is generated. Just for your understanding of these slides.
Okay. Okay.
Slides. So current slide. Okay. Then we have to use this transaction to create and all that. That we will see tomorrow how to create this profile and all that. How to create that we will see that we will see afterwards. First we'll create it. Okay. For creating also it is required. So we'll see all these things. This profile determines how serial numbers are handled for a specific material or group of materials. You can specify whether serial numbers are mandatory, optional, or not used. This we will see while creating this profile. This is in customizing. You can define the serialization procedure. Example, automatic creation during goods receipt, manual entry. All these are coming in the module. That we will see. I will explain you all those things. Serialization data in the piece of equipment. So in the equipment, this is important for us. If you want to manage a piece of equipment, not only as an independent object, but also as a piece of material. See, if you want to manage a piece of equipment, not only as an independent object, but also as a piece of material, within the framework of inventory management, you must provide it with serialized data. That is why it is used.
Okay.
This comprises a unique combination of equipment plus material plus a serial number. All this will be there. So in the example which I have shown to you here, see this equipment I will this is the equipment carburetor. Okay, I will show you this equipment because we have created this for another batch. So I can show you this. I have already created for another batch. I am showing it for you. See, this has got equipment number. Fine.
Mm.
Now, in the structure, if you go this construction type, this has got this is the material code, material number. And if you go in serial data, this is the number. This is the serial number of this equipment. So it is having all three. It is having a serial number, it is having a material number, and it is having equipment number. That is what he is saying there. That is what he is saying here. Then stock information you will have. By using this data, you describe the piece of equipment as an individual item of a particular material. So, examples. See, this is I think it is power supply or something. Some instrument this is. Some equipment. There's some equipment. So, see, manufacturing serial number is there. So, this is what we have to create. Now, on this equipment also we have got, see, the manufacturer always gives it on the nameplate.
Okay.
See, this is a solenoid valve. On the solenoid valve also you have a serial number 11949333 you are having. So in this way, this is very important. If you are manufacturing the same item with the same, I mean, with the same this model number. The model number is same, item is same, specifications are all same. Then how to track this item? You have supplied this item to the customer. So how to track? You can track with this number. So this number has to be created. So that is the purpose of this. So here now we